Question 7 on logarithms. So for part 1, we want to solve this. I would get all the logs on one side and stick the 2 on the other side. Personally, there's probably other ways of doing this. But I would do this first. So you've got -2 over there. And then, since these are all logs, you can use the laws of logarithms to simplify. So you've got log 3 of 4x over 5x plus 7. That equals -2. Okay, so the way logarithms work is, what this is saying is this to the power of this will equal all of this. Okay, so let's write that down then. So we know that 3 to the power of -2 equals 4x over 5x plus 7. And now it's just a case of rearranging all of this and finding x. So that can go over there, that can go up there. So 5x plus 7 equals 36x. And so 7 equals 31x. And x will be 7 over 31. X equals 7 over 31. So that's the answer to part 1. Always good to check that that works in your original question. I think it does. If you put x equals 7 over 31 in there, that's positive. And same over here, that's also going to be positive. So it's always worth checking, because you can't do log of a negative number. So that's the answer to part 1. Part 2 looks a bit of a weird one. So let's go have a look at this again. So this on the left hand side doesn't look too much different from the right hand side. Let's just put it down here. Okay, so this is the same as if we just put the terms in. So when r equals 1, we're going to get log a of y to the power of 1. Then when r equals 2, we're going to get log a of y squared. Then let's just put a bracket around there. And then on the right hand side, when we put r equals 1 in, we're going to get log a of y, which is similar. Well, it's the same as what we got on the left hand side. When r equals 2, this is going to be different though. This is log of y to the base a all squared, not just the y squared. So this will cancel with this, but the other two things are different. If we just move that to the front there, this will be 2 log a of y equals, let's leave this as it is for now. Okay, now what you could do here is a substitution, because it doesn't look very nice, right? So you could, I don't know, let's let x equal log. You don't have to do this, but it might just all look nicer if you do this substitution. So then you've got 2x equal x squared. Now it's important not to divide by x or you lose a solution. So I would do it like this, minus 2x, and you've got x minus 2. So then x equals 0 or x equals 2. Remember, it's not actually x, it is log y to the base a. So you've got this and you've got this. Now you just want to solve those two. So a to the power of 0 equals y, which means that y equals 1, but we can't have that. We can't have that as it tells us in the question that y is greater than 1, so that's no good. We need to use the other one. So a squared equals y. Oh, that's it. Right, finished. Okay, so that's the answer, I think. Yep.